Just in case you weren't in class, this video should help you complete the assignment 112, Bev and Matt. So if we click on that, and the purpose of this assignment is to show you the importance of time. When you combine time with compounding of interest, a lot of good things can happen. So if you click on Bev and Matt, it should open up into an Excel spreadsheet. And quick story, Bev and Matt were students in my finance class a number of years ago, and they're both pretty good students. And Beverly just got the edge. She really took very seriously what I told her about time and compounding. Matt did too, but he took a different path in life. So what we're gonna be creating is a template, and you can use this anytime you want. But first of all, spreadsheets are designed for number crunching. So if you click on annual contribution for Beverly right here and type in 1,000, and what Beverly did was she started investing early. She took advantage of time. What she did was she invested $1,000 for 6 years. So move your cursor to the lower right hand corner of the cell until it turns into that looks like a bold plus sign. Once it's there, click and drag that down to and including 24, because Beverly decided she's just going to invest for a few years and let compounding do the rest. On the other hand, Matt started at age 28. So type in 1,000 there, enter, click back on that cell, and you're going to click and drag, and he put in $1,000 a year starting at age 28 all the way up to the age of 65. Two completely different scenarios, and we'll see what happens. So we're going to assume that we're going to earn 10% interest. And with any spreadsheet or an Excel particularly, you need to kind of wake it up and let Excel know that you want it to do some mathematical function. So if you go to cell C8, you're going to type equal, and that just tells Excel to wake up. And then you can go to cell B8 and just click on it, and it shows up there. And then you're going to plus, and we're going to do a right parentheses. You're going to click on B8 again, and we're going to multiply. So it's a shift of 8, asterisk, 0.1. Close the expression, and then hit enter. And what we just did was, if you take 10% of 1,000, that's $100. We just added the $100 of interest to the $1,000. Okay, go to cell C9. We're going to type equal again, and right parentheses. We're going to click on cell C8. Oops, C8 plus B9. Close the expression. And we're going to hit plus, shift 9, right parentheses. We're going to click on C8 again, plus B9, close the expression, multiply it, shift 8 times 0.1, and hit enter. Okay, what we did there was we took we took the 1100, added it to the 1000, which gives us $2,100, and then we have to multiply that times the 10% to get the interest. So now you click back on cell C9. We're going to copy that down. Oh, let's hold off. Let's do this. Click on cell C8 and just highlight cell C9 also. And we're just going to Control C or copy, whatever. We're going to paste it over to Matt's side of the spreadsheet. And then just hit Control V. We should get the same numbers because we're doing the same thing. So let's go back up to Beverly's. I want you to copy that. Oh, click on cell C9. We're going to copy that down all the way down to 65. And we're going to go back up to Matt. Click on the cell that's got the 2310. We're going to copy and drag that down to 65 also. And let's look at the difference. Quite a difference. Because what happened was Beverly only invested $7,000, ended up with more than $500,000 in her retirement fund. Matt invested $38,000 and ended up with just a little more than $400,000. And look at the return on the investment, quite a difference. Okay, and if you just kind of go through and start looking at the numbers, you see that compounding really does add up. So what you need to do after you're done with this, you need to answer the questions over here. But also, since this is a template, we can just kind of play around with some different scenarios. So if you click on Beverly's cell that's got 2310 in it, we're going to change the interest rate. Now it's at 10%. Let's put it at 9%. So 0.09. And then we're going to copy that down. We'll see what happens. Changes quite a bit. It goes from over $500,000 to about $350,000. That's why people are always looking at interest rates, and they're so concerned about that. So you can go back and change any of these. Just change the percentage rate, and you can create some scenarios. So go ahead and finish answering these questions, and then submit it.